Hey everybody, Nick Bello, the Shop Local Guy, out here in front of Scott's U-Save Tires and Auto Repair in Schererville, Indiana. They are a full-service auto repair facility. This is actually their second location. It's been a family-owned business for years and years and years, and I'll tell you what, you gotta come in and you gotta check them out. Now, don't forget, you can get a discount by using your Shop Local Network app when you come down here to Scott's U-Save. But we're gonna go inside and outside the building. We're gonna take a little bit of a look around so you guys can see a little bit more about them. Take a look. Now they're located right on the corner of US 41 and 77th Avenue here in Schererville. You may be able to see the baseball card place across the street from me. Speedway sits on the corner here, CVS over on the other corner there. So they're right here on the main strip in Schererville. You can't miss them, but you gotta stop in, you gotta check them out, give them a call, set an appointment, you'll be happy that you did. Nick Bello, Shop Local Guy, we'll talk to you soon.